What is the one of the very beautiful explanation of La ilaha illallah? La ilaha is zero and illallah is only one. And we all in the world today and all the material things and all the natural things and all the human beings and all the animals and all the birds and all the planets and stars and galaxies and universe, we are all zero. We are all belongs to the category of zero, and there is only one is Allah, the infinite God. And without Allah, our value is nothing but zero. We are all zero. Without Allah, Allah says in the Quran, Ya ayyuhan-nasu antumul fuqara'u ilallah, wallahu al-ghani. Oh mankind, you are all in front of Allah are the beggars. And only Allah is the ghani. Only Allah is the rich. Is the free from any needs. So without Allah, we can put zero and zero and zero and zero. If there is no Allah, there is no one, and then we are all zero. Our life will be useless. Our next life will be useless. We'll be going in hellfire. And how to make Allah with us? When we follow His commandments. He will love us, He will care for us, He will save us from His punishment, and He will give us good life here, and He can bring us in paradise. Make Allah a one with you. And without that one Allah, this one God, we are all zero and we have no value at all. We are useless creation of God in this universe, in this earth, with no value at all. The only can give us a value is the existence of God, the God in our lives. When Allah is in our lives, then our lives become valuable. And if we don't have one God in our life, then we are nothing but a zero, and zero have no value until you add all those zeros, you add one. If there are 3 zeros, you add one, it becomes 1,000. And if there are 6 zeros, you add one, it becomes 1 million. And if there are 9 zeros, useless zeros, when you add one, it becomes 1 billion. And there is 12 zeros, which is useless, no value at all, and you add one there, it becomes 1 trillion. So only the one who can give us the value is our belief and our obedience, our submission to our only one God. And that is one of the beautiful meaning of La ilaha illallah.